It's day 177 where we test the power of showing up. Today is the day na ido-document na natin yung food intake natin sa mga vlogs. Since nasa 66 kg na tayo, automatic adjust ulit natin ang calories. From today, 1,500 calories na lang tayo per day. So around 400 calorie deficit tayo. Nag-pre-workout snack lang tayo ng 2 slices wheat bread with high protein peanut butter. That's around 230 calories and 10 grams of protein. Then nag-gym na agad tayo. At guys, legit nagkakamuscle na yung chest natin. Ibig sabihin, may bodyguard na yung bones natin underneath. Hindi lang sa pagkain tayo nagbabawas ng calories, pati na din sa workout. After gym, nag-whey protein lang tayo. Around 120 calories and 24 grams of protein. Hindi na muna ako kumain agad. Nabusog na kasi ako sa whey. Pero syempre, bumili tayo ng kanili. That's around 200 calories at 3 grams of protein. Pagdating naman ng dinner, meron tayong 2 boiled eggs, 100 grams beef giniling, at 100 grams lechon manok, no skin, 100 grams white rice, and that's around 631 calories with roughly 67.8 grams of protein. So overall, meron tayong around 1,300 calories total at around 107 grams of protein. Pasok tayo sa target natin and mataas na rin ang protein. Kaya natin sinasabi to kasi ito talaga yung reason kung bakit tayo pumapayat, ang calorie deficit. Natutunan ko lang din to sa mga fitness creators like Gabby Enriquez, Cloud Fitness, Smart Fit, at Kuya B. So yun lang muna for today. Let's learn and execute ulit bukas. Dito na muna tayo. We show up again tomorrow.